Hello friends. In today's video, I'll be showing you some must-have kitchen gadgets from Amazon that will save you tons of time. Discover the versatility of the cheese grater for quick shredding and the sleek kitchen faucet with a pull-down sprayer for hassle-free cleanup. These gadgets make meal prep and cleanup a breeze. Watch to find out how they can simplify your kitchen routine. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen essentials. So guys, let's start the video. Next, electric spin scrubber. Efficient and powerful electric scrubber with rotating heads, designed for deep cleaning in kitchens, bathrooms, and other surfaces. Rechargeable and cordless with interchangeable brushes for versatile cleaning options. Next, food processor. Powerful multifunctional food processor with a variety of blade attachments for chopping, slicing, shredding, and kneading. Large capacity bowl and intuitive controls make food prep simple and efficient. Next, portable electric pot. Compact and lightweight electric pot perfect for travel, dorm rooms, or small kitchens. Equipped with adjustable temperature control and rapid heating capabilities, making it versatile for boiling, steaming, or simmering meals on the go. Next, vegetable peeler. Sharp, ergonomic vegetable peeler with a stainless steel blade that glides through tough skin smoothly. Designed for easy handling and comfort, making peeling tasks faster and more precise. Next, kitchen steam cleaner. High-temperature kitchen steam cleaner with adjustable steam settings to eliminate grease, grime, and bacteria from surfaces. Lightweight and easy to handle, ideal for deep cleaning kitchen appliances and countertops. Next, tortilla bowl maker. Non-stick tortilla bowl maker that shapes and crisps tortillas into edible bowls for salads, dips, or entrees. Quick heating and easy to clean, making meal presentation fun and unique. Next, meat thermometer. An accurate digital meat thermometer with a quick read display and long probe, designed to measure internal food temperatures precisely. Perfect for grilling, baking, and roasting, it ensures meats are cooked to safe temperatures. Next, cheese grater. Stainless steel cheese grater with multiple grating surfaces, offering fine, medium, and coarse options for shredding cheese, zesting citrus, and grating vegetables. Features an ergonomic handle for easy grip and non-slip base for stability. Next, slow juicer. Slow masticating juicer that extracts nutrient-rich juice from fruits and vegetables with minimal oxidation. Quiet operation, easy to clean, and delivers fresh, high-quality juice. Next, mini waffle maker. Small, easy-to-use waffle maker that heats quickly and evenly, creating crispy waffles in minutes. Non-stick plates make cleaning simple, and compact design allows for easy storage, ideal for small spaces. Next, rice dispenser. Compact rice dispenser with an easy pull lever that dispenses a measured portion of rice. Airtight design keeps rice fresh and free from moisture, perfect for any kitchen. Next, blender pitcher. Large, durable blender pitcher made of BPA-free material with measurement markings. Ideal for blending smoothies, soups, and sauces, featuring a secure lid and easy pour spout for convenience. Next, electric citrus juicer. Powerful citrus juicer with a reamer and pulp control to extract maximum juice from oranges, lemons, and other citrus fruits. Features a drip-free spout and easy-to-clean design for convenient daily use. Next, smart tea maker. An advanced programmable tea maker with temperature control and a timer for perfect tea brewing. Features auto shutoff, adjustable steeping settings, and easy pour design for customized tea flavors. Next, food chopper. Manual food chopper with sharp, durable blades, designed to make dicing, mincing, and chopping vegetables and herbs quick and efficient. Compact, easy to clean, and ideal for everyday meal prep.